Today we're going to be rhythm detectives and find out if our common breakfast foods have one sound or two sounds. You'll need a piece of paper and a pencil for this activity so you can write your answers down and follow along as we go. We will work through all 10 slides and then we will go back to the beginning to check our work. I will play the audio at the bottom and it will say the word plus saying the word and clapping the rhythm. You will have 10 to 15 seconds to answer the question before moving on to the next slide. Let's begin. Does pancakes have one sound or two?
Pancakes. Pancakes.
Your time starts now. Time's up. Next question. Does apple have one sound or two sounds?
Apple. Apple.
Your time starts now. Time's up. Next question. Does egg have one sound or two sounds?
Egg. Egg.
Your time starts now. Time's up. Next question. Does bacon have one sound or two sounds?
Bacon. Bacon.
Your time starts now. Time's up. Next question. Does coffee have one sound or two sounds?
Coffee. Coffee.
Your time starts now. Time's up. Next question. Does donut have one sound or two sounds?
Donut. Donut.
Your time starts now. Time's up. Next question. Does juice have one sound or two sounds?
Juice. Juice.
Your time starts now. Time's up. Next question. Does muffin have one sound or two sounds?
Muffin. Muffin.
Your time starts now. Time's up. Next question. Does orange have one sound or two sounds?
Orange. Orange.
Your time starts now. Time's up. Next question. Does waffles have one sound or two sounds?
Waffles. Waffles.
Your time starts now. Time's up. Let's check our work. Does pancakes have one or two sounds?
Pancakes. Pancakes.
Pancakes has two sounds. Does apple have one sound or two sounds?
Apple. Apple.
Apple has two sounds. Does egg have one sound or two sounds?
Egg. Egg.
Egg has one sound. Does bacon have one or two sounds?
Bacon. Bacon.
Bacon has two sounds. Does coffee have one sound or two sounds?
Coffee. Coffee.
Coffee has two sounds. Does donut have one or two sounds?
Donut. Donut.
Donut has two sounds. Does juice have one sound or two sounds?
Juice. Juice.
Juice has one sound. Does muffin have one sound or two sounds?
Muffin. Muffin.
Muffin has two sounds. Does orange have one sound or two sounds?
Orange. Orange.
Orange has one sound. Does waffle have one sound or two sounds?
Waffles. Waffles.
Waffles has two sounds.